Hello traders, welcome to ChrisFX. I want you to tell me how many times have you watched somebody on YouTube showing you a certain trading strategy, and when you go ahead and backtest it, you see that it does not work. Not even that, sometimes even those people teaching you those certain strategies do not even know how to properly trade them themselves. Today I'm gonna show you how we here on ChrisFX are trading opposite to those other traders and how we are able to consistently make profits. So let's begin with our video. Today it is the 19th of April 2023 and we are still in this beautiful trade as you see it right here. This trade of course was also called in the signals group as you see exactly right here by NASDAQ 356, which is 9:56 New York time. You will see exactly where we bought. So we bought exactly right here. So I called a buy right here with a stop loss at 12992 actually, because I was calling the stop loss from the MT4 platform, and then I called the take profits. We are still into this trade and this trade looks exactly like that right now. And my next profit is gonna be this profit right here. The stop loss is at break even, of course. We have closed two partials already and it keeps going. Let me show you what most traders did once the algorithmic move of 930 happened and what we did here on ChrisFX. If I take you back in time right here, you will see that we were grabbing liquidity both on NASDAQ and on SPX 500. And when those other traders saw this grab of liquidity above this area, then they considered this one to be a change of character and they sold exactly right here with a stop loss either above here or right here. They would target as a first target this one and look exactly what happened. They were happy for just a little bit, of course. Some of them added more to their positions and off we go. Price is now coming back to stop them out. We here on ChrisFX, because we do understand price action, for which nobody is talking about, I will show you two things that we saw opposite to them. One of those was that we had a higher time frame bias and we were expecting for price to come up here and grab this liquidity or to tap into these ChrisFX areas, when everybody thought that liquidity below these areas was gonna be grabbed today. Not only that, let me show you, as I showed you earlier on, we did enter exactly at 9:56. So here I was already into the trade with a buy execution, with a market execution, exactly right here with a stop loss below the low of this area. Why is that? There are two reasons for that. The first reason I'm gonna show you exactly right here is that we have SMT divergence. And if you want to learn more about SMT divergence, click on the top right of your screen right now and check this video that I had made on SMT divergence. Since here on ChrisFX we know how to read price action at the same time, when we saw this beautiful SMT divergence, okay, we have SMT divergence, let's say from this point until this point and this point until this point, we know that most of those traders now have gone short, which is very important to know because of course the algorithm is gonna do the exact opposite of what all of those thousands of people are doing. So in case that you think that you have found the magic pill by consuming the content of some of those people, just reconsider, because they're the new retail traders and they cannot read price action as we do here on ChrisFX. If somebody knows how to read price action, let me give you the hint right here. You already have a bias as I showed you right here. What else do you see? Since this one, this low, is higher than this one, and of course it is also higher than this one, this is a structure right here. And of course, because this high is higher than this high, this is the structure, which if it gets broken and if I see an impulsive break, then I am into the trade immediately with a market execution. This is how I called this trade, exactly right here. What you could have done, of course, after seeing more breaks of structures, you could have placed a pending order on this fair value gap exactly right here, but you have to realize that many times price is not gonna come back and activate you into the trade. And let's see what NASDAQ did. We don't really care about SPX 500 right here. let's check out what NASDAQ did and why many of you would be panicking even in this situation. Let's keep going forward. There you go, we have the first retracement and reaction out of this fair value gap, but then we have even more reactions right here. If you have told yourselves the story correctly, you understand that what price is doing right here, it is inducing even more traders to enter shorts. So there is a bunch of people, as I said, who entered right here, some of them on the retracement exactly right here with the same stop loss, let's say above this area. Those traders who are now still in this position, when price comes back like that, they are disappointed, but when it comes back right here, some of them are closing their positions at break even. You see this first thing, some more of them are adding more positions, or new traders are coming in with shorts right here, and we are here on ChrisFX going long at the exact same spot, and we are going to eat this liquidity alive, the liquidity that is standing above all of these areas. We are going for this liquidity, and if I proceed, I'm gonna show you where price is exactly right now, and the next target that I have is up here. Already a 5.3 to 1 reward to risk. Look now what happened with the same exact logic. Price did not make it below this area. Those traders that were inside this trade right here are now happy, and they think that price is gonna go towards their direction. Some of them have closed a little bit of partials at 0.9 to 1. Some are adding more positions exactly right here. And we on ChrisFX, because we know how to read price action, once again I'm gonna say it, we are going long. We are long already, of course, and you see how beautiful this trade looked. It skyrocketed, and we closed two partials already, and we are going for third partial, and if everything goes according to the plan, for a fourth partial, etc, etc. And I'm pretty sure that many of you took the same trade, and when I'm saying the same trade, I mean the opposite trade. You went short right here with the belief that you are gonna target at least this area of liquidity, or even this low right here. Well, the mistake is twofold. First of all, you think that some people who are teaching you out there are like magicians and they know everything about the market because probably they got funded once or twice or whatever, and the market is here always to humble me, to humble you, and to humble those people who are presenting themselves as gods, and you people who are following them as they are gods. The market is here to rule us all and to show us the real direction. By the way, this is exactly how I passed the previous challenge as well, the one that I showed you, which I passed in one day. Those traders were all going short. It was a very similar situation. I made a video about it, and I was going long, of course. I have strong knowledge on price action, as I showed you exactly right here, how I thought about price action and why I entered here. I already had my premise, and if my premise would be wrong, then I would embrace the loss and everything would be fine. If you want to learn exactly how I'm entering those types of trades, feel free to book a one-on-one call with me where I can teach you step by step my powerful trading strategies, and we can also discuss about any weak point, let's say, of yours, and we can improve it on the spot. This is something that I cannot highlight enough. It is very important to have a mentor who has spent thousands of hours creating his own trading strategies and mixing everything together, even the price action strategies that I was learning from other mentors when I was starting. You that you remember who are long viewers of this channel, those are still important because for me, they just put this little stone and they have helped me read price action the way I'm doing. So by being humble and by having my amazing trading strategies, I'm able to pull out those extremely nice results. Of course, you can also join my free Discord server. I will leave the link down in the comment section, and you can join my trading signals as well. This is gonna do it for today, traders, and thank you all for watching. Until next time.